Well, here in upstate New York, they're predicting thunderstorms this afternoon. And I would say, judging from Rusty's behavior, that it's about right. He is not a fan of thunderstorms, are you, honey? Hey, Mommy's little boy, huh? But you're safe in here. You're a good boy. Yeah, that's my good boy. Oh, come here. Oh, yes. Yes, he is. You're a good boy. Oh, yes, yes, yes. We will survive through the storms. See, the only time he wants me is when he's scared of storms or fireworks. Yeah, stinker. Any other time you don't want me to get you in my lap. But I love you anyway. Yes, I do.